Welcome to J Has Heart.
Working with J Has Heart has been phenomenal. I've worked in various capacities with J Has Heart. I've seen the work that they do in the classroom with SEL-based work with children and students in schools, and then I've also seen J Has Heart's work through workshops with parents and high school students. Particularly the credit and financial literacy workshop was a great way to expand the knowledge of our students, our parents, and empower them to be more financially literate and confident when they deal with their money management. I think from a parent's perspective, it was great because it taught our parents how to save money, invest money, and think about budgeting for their families. And then when through a student perspective, it was great because it got our students to start thinking about what does money mean to them, how can they manage their money in college. It just really got the wheels turning on this topic, which is sometimes overwhelming for people, but I think the way that the workshop was structured, it really broke it down in a very simple way for our students to understand and not be so intimidated by the topic.
Welcome to J Has Heart.
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 Welcome to J Has Heart.